Whoa. That's pretty cool. Oh, he's going around. What is he doing? Oh, it's an R8 V10 Plus. You can tell by the wing. Come on, light, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 7. Today we're starting out at Cars and Coffee. So obviously, if you can't tell, I'm a little late. I had to go to basketball. Yeah. But, look, we got a little bit left. Yeah, we won our basketball game. At least that happened. It was too early to come out here before. I think it was a nice Pantera. The Z06 is coming over. Man, look at this Mercy. Stickered orange Mercy. It's actually a Roadster. I don't know if it's manual, I believe so. Yep, gated manual. That's still pretty cool. Got the Elise Corvettes. Only got 2 right now because I think everybody left. This is pretty much the end of the show. I really do hate that I'm late, but like I still want to come if there's anything. I see a black RS. That's pretty cool. Got a Z28. This is a C7, I think. A stock. I think this is the base. Yeah, this is the base Corvette. Like, it doesn't have any options on it that are noticeable, at least. The rims, nothing really. It's an exhaust. But I mean, yeah, I guess we could get it to start up. Not bad. Not bad at all. We got an S4, I think. A blue S4. Old S4. You can get this for under 10K, surprisingly. For good build cars. They're really good build cars. Look at that. It's really cool. Got a lot of leather on it. Got the Aventador over there. That is awesome. Doors up. I didn't bring my high definition camera. I'm going to use that maybe for a photo shoot tomorrow, depending on if I do it. Got a Carrera. I got a really nice Prius over there. RS. Look at this GT40. I can't tell if this is a kid, but either way, this is awesome. Whoa, this is really awesome. It's running like, I believe, 400s in the rear. Those look like 400s. Oh, look at that. That's a really cool picture. Just like that. Or like that. That's awesome. Really old Corvette. That's awesome. Let's go check out the RS. That's a good picture as well. I got my friend NorCal over there. I'll go talk to him in a minute, but man. Might be shooting with one of these tomorrow. If I do, I'll make sure to let you guys know on the channel. And a video will be coming out, but it's also a really good picture from here. Yeah, you'll see it if it comes out. Something about that Prius does not look stock. I can't put my finger on it, but you know, also a really good picture. RX-8 over there, I think. Is that an RX-8? Looks like an RX-8. Yep. El Camino. Super B. Super B and Charger.
very square shoulder.
What's that? Look at that. That's awesome. Carbon fiber. What's up, dude? This is awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you again, dude.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, look at this. When did this get here?
No clue.
There was an orange one that just left.
Yeah.
I got a video of it going. It was turning, then it did a illegal turn over to the other lane, and then it went that way.
Nice.
But yeah, it's pretty cool. I got it as soon as I came from basketball. We just won.
Nice.
So it's pretty cool.
I was here this morning for a little bit, and then we went and did a photo shoot with a Lamborghini Aventadors and an Aston.
That's cool. What color was the Gallardo?
It was the dark gray one that you see around.
Oh, that one, the last gen, right?
No, the first one. It's second.
The first gen? Look at this doors up. It has a lot of carbon bits. A lot of carbon. It's awesome. I'd love to hear this start up. Possible rev. I'm not gonna say you shouldn't. Wow, that's a good pick right there. Ooh. Wow, what a real oof. We got another ST back there. Got a CL63 AMG and a Cobra with a nice carbon hood. I believe it's gloss carbon. It's not matte carbon. It's still pretty cool though. Weight savings. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I mean, nothing is that bad here. Nothing's too good either, but that's what happens when you're late. When you're late, you don't get anything here. Look at this SG. Not exactly a Corvette fan. This has mud flaps. It got some rally/racing wheels. This looks like ooh, it's pretty loud. There's a lot of smoke coming out of that. This looks like a 15 or 16 ST. It looks more like a 15 because of the front bumper and the rear bumper, but that actually looks really cool like that. I really like the rally mud flaps. This is pretty cool. I can tell this guy daily drives by the way that it's dirty. He'd probably take that off-roading. What a champ. What an absolute champ. I hear, oh, that's a nice crackle. Apparently we got the Cobra leaving, so yeah, I'll get that going. Oh, that was pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Oh, that was awesome. Is he gonna do a pull? Is he gonna do a pull? Do a pull, do a pull. Do a pull, do a pull, do a pull. That was awesome though. That sound though. Oh, he's getting started. Let's get started.
Might as well check the start.
Yeah.
It's a nice exhaust.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty loud. I like it though, I like it. That is awesome. Well, that was awesome. No, that was nothing. Oh my god, that was so loud. have enough storage, so yeah, look at this. This is pretty awesome. I gotta go. We're about to get the start up on the RS. Maybe. I don't know.
Thing gets out of here.
Okay. I think it's gone. Alright. I can tell it's warm. I can tell it's warm. It's pretty
the
warm.
cold start is
Yeah.
a lot more impressive. If it was a little bit colder today, and I live in Gold River, so it got warm on the way.